as my life goes. Now I know when you passed out on the floor, you looked quite ready. Well, hi there pluckers, I have Sore Fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting song for you to learn. This one's a fairly bit more up to date than my usual stuff, okay. This is 2 or 3 years old now. It's a song called 23 from a gentleman called Chayce Beckham, who was the American Idol winner a couple of years ago, okay. So standard tuning with a capo on the 3rd fret as he does, so we're playing it exactly the way Chayce Beckham plays the song, okay. Right then boys and girls, let me hopefully show you what I played in my demo there, right. So we're starting off with the intro, which is by far the hardest part of the record. The rest of the track is relatively easy, okay, but certainly the intro takes a lot of practice to get it clean, okay. So what I think he's playing there is, I haven't got it right myself, so don't worry. Okay, it does take a lot of practice to get it clean. So it starts off with an A minor shape, right? You play the 5th string open and then strum the chord. Got that? Simple enough, yeah. Then move this 2nd finger up to the 5th string, the A string, and play the 2nd fret on its own. So you got, okay. And what I tend to do is then form a C chord and just strum the C chord 5 downwards. So it's, you could just hit that 3rd on the 5th if you want. Okay, you could just do it that way, or you could play the chord, the C chord, okay? Okay, I tend to play the chord. Now here comes the tricky bit, okay? I think what he's doing is he plays this, that, okay, so it's an open 4th string, hammer up to 2nd fret and then pull it off to open again, okay, and you do the same thing on the 3rd string and then go back and do it again on the 4th, so it's, okay, so now you've got this. Okay. Then what he does is he plays a bottom E string. He does the same sort of thing but now on a G chord. He plays the bottom E string 3rd fret on its own. So now you've got this. Okay. So okay, I'll play that really slowly. Okay, and then he does the same sort of thing but on the 5th string and the 4th string. So it's a bit different, I think. This one it goes open 5th string, hammer, 2nd fret, pull off. Does the same thing on the 4th string, but then just goes back and plays the 2nd on the 5th. Doesn't hammer it, okay? Right. So now you've got this. Okay, slowly. Okay, and then what we do is we play a D minor. Hit the 5th string and strum down. Okay, so now we've got this. Okay, then he does the same thing again, okay? This time he stays on the D minor for a couple of bars, okay? And he lifts. You can try lifting this first finger off, on and off. So gives it a bit more interest. Okay, so the whole intro that I was playing is this, slowly, very slowly. And then we're off into the verse. Okay. Now, once you've got a verse under your belt, you've got the whole song up to the chorus, right? So all the verses play the same. So starts off with an A minor. Simple as my mama says when I was very young. It's just a sequence. He goes all the way through the song with this. A minor, C, G, D minor. Okay, so it's, and he plays that round and round and round. Okay, so it's simple as my mama says when I was very young. She told me not to worry, son, one day you'll be someone. Next verse, same again. Here I am, 21, was loaded at a stagecoach shotgun. Sorry, mama, please don't look at me. And then we do 4 lots of D minor. But this time I'm playing a D minor, but this time I'm lifting that second finger on the 3rd string off. So it's, and hammering it back in. That sort of thing, okay? And that's your first complete verse, okay? So once again, so we'll do it all the way from the beginning to the end of the first verse, okay? So slowly. Right, here we go. Simple as my mama says when I was very young. She told me not to worry, son, one day you'll be someone. Here I am at 21, was loaded as a stagecoach shotgun. Sorry, mama, please don't look at me. Alright, then it goes into another verse, exactly the same to play as the previous verse, but slightly shorter. When I got to Stockholm when I was 17, my papa told me how to drink slow, was he mean? Working all day in the August heat, he taught me how to fish mackerel, taught me how to drink. Another verse. Well, I went to California and had me a band, played with bars in the southern land, played all night and we drank for free, and all the boys and alright, now here comes the chorus. All those are verses, alright? They're played exactly the same way. Right. Now here we go again, and this is very similar to a verse, but the emphasis are all a bit different. Okay. Now this is, ideally you need to do that build up to the C, so it's a and get that second in the 5th going, right, like you did on the intro. G, and it's the same chords though, okay? It's A minor, C, G, D minor, all the way through. Right? It's now 23. Ain't nobody gonna drink like me. Soon I'll be 24. The Lord knows I can't drink no more. I know I shouldn't take it slow. It's not the way that my life goes. Now I know. And the final bit is when you're A minor, it's the same chords again. Passed out on the floor. You're sober by 24. into the intro. Okay, so that's the chorus again. So chorus again very slowly. Now I'm 23 and there ain't nobody gonna drink like me. Soon I'll be 24. The Lord knows I can't drink no more. No, I should have taken it slow. It's not the way that my life goes. Now I know. When you're passed down on the floor, you're sold by trade. That's how I finished it. I just finished it on A minor, but obviously there's another couple of verses, it's another chorus, which play exactly the same as what we've already done, okay, different words on the verses. So there you go, boys and girls, my take on 23 by Chayce Beckham. Okay, hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.